They get me super soaked. Whoa, tryna get shit cracking like a yoke. Yo, I just wanna tell you that I'm woke. 2 in the AM, come and get it. It's mine, you dig. You don't stay far, stay far.
Hey y'all, so today I'm coming at you guys with one of my most highly requested videos, which is how I add volume to my head wraps. This is super duper friendly for my girls with short hair, TWAs, all that. Now, while there's nothing wrong with the little itty bitty bun, this is super cute, you know, real simple. I like my head wraps voluminous. I like them big. I like them extra on some Erykah Badu type ish, you feel me? So this is the secret right here. So I'm taking this scarf from Target because Target is life, of course, and I am going to wrap that around my hand and create a little spiral bun slash donut. Super easy, and you want to make sure that you secure that as best as you can. Tuck in those strings, do whatever you can. If you don't have strings, just make sure it's super secure. And then I'm just gonna put that on my head. This requires some balance, so don't get it twisted. I make this look easy, but honestly it was a struggle this time around because this scarf was so silky. I didn't fail not once, not twice, not 3 times, but 4 times. So it does take a lot of practice, but once you do get the hang of the girl, it is super easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and successfully tie my head wrap. Now I already have my little bun resting on top of my head. I went ahead and folded my scarf into a triangle. This is also from Target. I would recommend something with a little bit more texture though, just so it won't have as much slip. But I'm going to take those 2 pieces at the end along with the piece in the middle, and I'm simply going to wrap that around my fingers and create a little rope. This is just like one of my favorite looks. This is like my go-to look. I feel like it looks super natural, although it is a true finesse. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. This is key right here. You have to make sure that these ends are tucked. Your tuck game gotta be strong. It gotta be strong, you feel me? You don't want your head wrap to fall off and then you are just exposed to the world for your deceit and lies. So make sure that everything is secure, and then of course throw on your favorite earrings. I love to wear hoops with my head wraps. I love to wear bold lip. I love to have my outfit popping. Today I'm rocking my little genie in a bottle shirt. But yeah, this is how I do it. If you have longer hair than me, of course, just go ahead and throw your hair in a bun and do the same process. But anyways, I have a lot more head wrap videos on the way. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, turn on them post notifications, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.